Hey, what's going on guys? This is Prabhat back with another video, and in this video I will show you guys that how you can make thumbnail for your YouTube videos with the help of your Android phone. So guys, let's get started. So the application you need is Thumbnail Maker. You can easily find it on Play Store. Just search for Thumbnail Maker and it will look like this. So you need to install this software, this application, whatever. So just install it and then tap on the Thumbnail Maker icon. So first thing first, we will change background first, of course. So let's say I want something. You can even select background from here. So there are tons of backgrounds you can find here. For tutorial purpose I will make it a simple thumbnail so that it will not take too much time. You can add text from here. So just click on this A plus icon, then click on plus icon and then type anything here. Let's say Android, and click on add. So you can increase size as well as you can decrease it. You can place it here and there. It is pretty much easy to handle. You can easily make thumbnail with this application. So let's say you can select font from here. So there are like 80 fonts. This one looks nice. So let's say Android. Alright, you can change color of your text by clicking on this thing, and then you can change from here. Alright, let's say this. So you can even add images. Just click on this camera type icon and then click on plus, add picture, then go to your gallery, then browse your photo. It should be here. So let's say I will add this thing. So it really looks nice. So you can even add icons from here. There are default icons you can use, so I am not going that much in detail. So go to last option, the floppy type icon. Just click on that, then you can easily save it. You can save draft, or you can just click on download JPG. So just rename it. Let's say test 1 2. Let's say download. So it is done. So let's see how this really looks. So this is the one I have made right now, and I have made like this one too. So guys, you can make even more attractive depending on how much time you spend on your thumbnail. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and guys, don't forget to turn on the notification icon when you subscribe, so that whenever I upload next video you will get the notification. And guys, if you have any question, make sure you comment down below. My name is Prabhat and I'm signing out.